It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are celebrating a very special occasion, okay? I am having my very first collab that I am hosting myself, and the theme is Black love and or self-love, okay? So I gathered 3 beautiful women, 3 wonderful Black creators together to be a part of my collab. And all they have to do, and all that I'm going to do for you all today in this video, is do a nail set in my kind of style, you know, doing the things that I love to do, using some of my Itz Sirap glitter. And this one is called February, okay? So make sure that after you watch my video that you go into the description bar and check out their channels and watch their videos, okay? So while I show you all of the products that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about all of them, okay? So the first participant we have is Tamberlands, and of course I will have her information in the description bar. She is a nail tech and trainer, and body is snatched, y'all, okay? On her channel, she does lifestyle, mother vlogs, nail videos, makeup, fashion, pretty much all of the things that she likes to do, okay? Which is definitely something that I can identify with, as my channel is all of the things that I love to do, okay? Next up, we have Keeping Up with Britt, okay? Beautiful woman. She is also a mother as well. On her channel, she does nail videos, lifestyle videos, all of that good stuff, beauty, all of that. And she is a nail artist and has her own press-on business, okay? So definitely check out her information. Of course, it will be in the description bar. And last but not least, we have Rose 318. We did a collab back in October for Halloween, so I had to have her in on this again. She is a DIY nail enthusiast, and on her channel, she talks about nails, body care, hair reviews, all of that good stuff, all right? Have you smelling good, feeling good, looking good, all right? And of course, y'all know me. I am Itz Sirap. I help you achieve your finished look, whether it is hair, makeup, nails, whatever you need, okay? So definitely check out the description bar to see all of my website links, all of my affiliate links, all of that good stuff in the description bar. So definitely go over to their channels. I will have the link to their collab video in the description bar. So please make sure you go check out their nail look using the Itz Sirap glitter, okay? Go on over there after you watch my video. So let's get into this look. So for this look, my style has a lot of encapsulation, stamping, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So what I'm going to do is take the Model 1's color, that red glittery color, and I'm going to apply that to the nail bed and kind of bring it down a little bit, trying to leave the tips a little clear, because I'm going to go in with the Itz Sirap glitter in February and blend that upward. And I'm going to kind of leave a couple of spaces in there so that it could be kind of see-through. I really like that effect. I am also going to go in with some of the black hearts and apply those on top of the glitter. So we got a lot of encapsulation that is going to be taking place. And of course, to encapsulate, I'm going to be using my Core Clear by Young Nails. And for the monomer, I am using my Afro Glam Nails monomer because it's kind of late. And this monomer is low odor and it won't kind of stink up the house and all that stuff. So if you are interested in that, I do have a link in the description bar for the Afro Glam Nails website and my coupon code. This is the first of many collabs that I will be hosting. If you are interested in being in one of my collabs, go ahead and send me an email. My email address is in the description bar. So after you watch this video, definitely go over and check out their channels and their video for this collab. Leave us some comments, give us some likes, subscribe to our channels. Go ahead and give us some of that love, all right? So I am super excited to try out these letters today. I did get these from AliExpress a while ago. They are featured in my AliExpress haul video, so definitely check that video out. But these are kind of black with a iridescent vibe, so I'm going to use these to spell out the word love. So this is where we are at so far. This is what the nails look like. And because I am doing some stamping, I did intentionally leave some spaces where I want my stamping to go, okay? So now I'm going to file and shape these off camera, and then we're going to jump into the stamping. So this is how the nails are looking. They have been file shaped, buffed, all of that, and I cleaned them with some Young Nail Swipe to remove the dust. Now I have out my sticky base coat. I'm going to apply this to all of them. Then I'm going to do my stamping, and then I will go in with the smudge free top coat. After that, I'm going to apply a base coat by Bellavina, and then I'm going to cure that. Then I'm going to apply the top coat and press in my rhinestones and cure that. Okay, for the stamping polish, I'm going to use this black polish. This stamping plate is from Maniology. I just got this stamp in my last Maniology stamping plate haul, so definitely check that video out. I will put it in the cards. I was having some difficulty with the stamp here because these letters are so tiny. I was trying to make sure that they would be visible. What I should have done with the Maniology plate was probably clean it with acetone first before I just jumped right in. So after I cleaned it with acetone, I was able to get that stamp to transfer. Now I'm going to apply the smudge free top coat. On this nail, I applied the base coat, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Now I'm going to go on top of this one with the top coat. And if I wanted these to last longer, like if I was going to wear this set myself, I would go in with a bling gel and then put a top coat on top of that. So I'm going to repeat this on the other nails. I'm going to apply the base coat, cure it, then apply the top coat and place my rhinestones. Okay, so this is how they came out after doing the rhinestone placement on this one. I did this one with the love stamp. Then for this one, I decided to do a heart around the couple. And then I just did some more cuticle rhinestones for those two. So this is how she is looking. I love it. I would definitely rock this. I kind of like how the self-love club, you can see it, but you kind of can't. And I feel like it's a testament to how important self-care and self-love is. That's something that can be personal, and depending on how well you do it, it can be very evident. Okay, so I like how you have to look closely to see that. So this is my set for my self-love black love collab. Definitely let me know what you all think about this set in the comments. Of course, let me know if you would rock it. And I need you to go into the description bar, click on the links to watch the videos from the other beautiful ladies that are in this collab with me. Definitely watch their videos, leave them some comments and let them know if you love their set. And come back to my video and let me know which one was your favorite, okay? Let me know out of the 4 of us which set was your favorite, which one you would rock, okay? Thank you all for tuning into this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line, okay? Give me a big old thumbs up on this video and share it with someone that you love. And guess what time it is, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.